Hi, in this particular video, I'll cover two functions. One is small and the other is large. Now, what does a small function do? It returns the nth smallest number from the given set of values. Looking at its syntax, so it's is equal to small parenthesis, the array or basically the list of numbers out of which you want to find the smallest number or the nth smallest number, then followed by a comma and the number which you want to find out. So do you want to find out the second smallest number, the third smallest number, and so on. Now let's say I've got an array over here. This is my array or my list of numbers. My first example over here is I want to find the smallest number out of this. So as you can see, the smallest number is minus 8.5, which you can look at over here as well. The minimum number is minus 8.5. And when we use a small function, we are getting the same result is equal to small. This is our entire range or basically array, and D18 is the smallest number. But for the smallest number or maybe the second smallest number, it's fine. But what if I want to find out the fifth smallest number? Now, this is where this function comes in handy. So using the function again is equal to small. Again, in the range, I'm passing my entire array and then comma followed by D19, which just tells about which fifth, whether we want to find the fifth smallest number or the sixth smallest number. In this case, it's the fifth smallest number. So we are getting the value of 3 and so on. Let's do a quick example over here. So you've got small, I'll pass down the array, comma. Over here, I want to find out the third smallest number, parenthesis close. It says it says 1.5. Similarly, if I want to find out the smallest number, small, again I am passing the entire array range, comma 1. So as you select this entire thing, you can see the minimum value is 1. Now, opposite of small is large. Using large, we can find out the nth largest number from a given set of values. The syntax is the same, just that instead of small, we've got large over here. Now, if I want to find out the largest number of this entire array, if I select this entire array, I can see the maximum number is 50. And if I use my large function also, I'm getting the same result. Similarly, this is an array of basically 12 numbers, right? And the minimum number is minus 8.5, which you can see from here also. And if I want to find out the 12th largest number, so basically I'm looking for the smallest number. In this case, it gives me minus 8.5. Let's just do one quick example over here is equal to large, selecting the entire array, comma 1, 19. Hopefully these videos are helpful. Let us know if there is any particular function which you would want to know more about. If you want to know more about analytics or if you want to have access to more of such free content, I would suggest that you go to our website, which is www.a-leap.com. We've got different courses over here available. And then we've got some blogs and some vlogs which give you access to that free content. Thank you.